Tucked along the sun-drenched coast of the Riviera Maya, Ocean Riviera Paradise has become one of those names that keeps popping up whenever travelers start dreaming about a Mexican beach getaway. Managed by H10 Hotels, this sprawling five-star, all-inclusive resort sits right on the beachfront near Playa del Carmen, at Carretera Federal Chetumal Cancun KM 296. It is the kind of place where you can spend a week and still stumble across corners you had not seen before. With multiple themed sections, hundreds of rooms, and enough restaurants to keep your taste buds guessing, it caters to families, couples, and adults, only travelers all under one very large umbrella. The reviews are mostly positive with scores hovering around 8.2 on Booking, 4.0 on Tripadvisor, and 8.0 on Expedia. So the big question is whether this Caribbean giant lives up to its paradise nickname, and this review takes a closer look at every corner of it. Starting with the rooms, Ocean Riviera Paradise offers a wide selection of junior suites, all averaging around 38 square meters of space, which is plenty for a comfortable stay. Guests can choose between a junior suite with a garden or tropical view, a junior suite with a pool view, or the popular swim-up junior suite that gives you direct access to a shared pool right from your terrace. Each room comes with either a king-size bed or two double beds, a sofa bed, air conditioning, a flat-screen TV, and in-room safe and a minibar restocked daily. Free Wi-Fi runs throughout the property, and the terrace or balcony is a lovely feature that makes early morning coffee feel like a small vacation ritual. The style leans modern and tropical, with clean lines, soft lighting, and enough space to spread out without stepping on your travel partner's toes. Families traveling with kids will want to look at the Daisy Family Junior Suite, which stretches to around 50 square meters and includes kid-themed amenities inspired by the Daisy character program. It is designed with a slightly different layout to make room for the whole crew, whether that means a king bed paired with a sofa bed or two double beds. For those who want a little more pampering, the Privilege Junior Suite unlocks upgraded services like a Privilege Lounge, an enhanced minibar, concierge assistance, bathrobes and slippers, and access to a special beach area with Balinese-style beds. And for adults who want a bit of peace and quiet away from splashing children, the El Beso Junior Suite sits inside the adults-only section of the resort with its own quieter pools and grown-up atmosphere. It is a versatile lineup, and there is basically a room type for every kind of traveler passing through. The dining scene is where Ocean Riviera Paradise really flexes its muscles, boasting a wide range of restaurants spread across the property. The main buffet, Amaranto, serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with an international spread that reviewers regularly praise for its variety and freshness. Down closer to the pool and beach, Villa Marina offers another buffet with grill options, making it a convenient stop when you do not want to trek far from your lounger. If you love seafood, Pez Vela sits right by the beach and turns fresh fish and grilled favorites into a proper coastal experience. Then there is Route 66, an American-style diner that leans into burgers, hot dogs, and comfort food for those late-night cravings after the entertainment ends. It is the kind of place that feels like a fun break from the more formal restaurants around the resort. For guests who want something more adventurous, Sakura brings Asian flavors to the table with teppanyaki show cooking, where the chef entertains as much as he cooks. Margarita serves Mexican cuisine in an à la carte setting that celebrates the local flavors of the region, from tacos to more refined regional dishes. And in the adults-only El Beso area, Blue Moon offers a gourmet international experience for couples looking for a quieter, more elegant dinner. On the bar side, the resort has several swim-up bars and pool bars scattered throughout the property, plus lounges tied to the entertainment areas and nightclub. Reviewers frequently mention that making reservations at the à la carte restaurants can be tricky, so planning ahead is a smart move if you want to lock down the popular spots. Now let's talk pools and beaches, because that is where much of the vacation magic happens. Ocean Riviera Paradise features 5 outdoor pools plus a dedicated children's splash pool and a free water park section, giving families and adults plenty of options to spread out. Some pools are calm and relaxing with plenty of loungers, while others double as party zones with swim-up bars and music through the day. The swim-up junior suites let some lucky guests roll out of bed and slide directly into the water, which honestly feels like cheating in the best possible way. Balinese beds, umbrellas, and shaded corners are available for those who want a break from the sun. There is enough variety here that you can pick a different pool vibe every day of your stay if you feel like exploring. The beach itself is a beautiful stretch of Caribbean coastline, though guest opinions vary depending on the season. Some reviewers rave about the powdery sand and turquoise water, while others mention that seaweed can occasionally show up, which is a common issue for most Riviera Maya resorts and not unique to this property. Loungers, umbrellas, and beach service are readily available, and water activities like beach volleyball are on offer for the more active guests. The nearby ocean is generally calm enough for a swim, and the beach setting provides one of the most photogenic backdrops for sunset walks or morning strolls. It is a solid beach experience overall, especially for those who set their expectations knowing the region's occasional seaweed situation. When it comes to activities, this resort punches above its weight in terms of variety. There are 3 outdoor tennis courts for guests who want to keep their swing sharp on vacation, along with a full fitness center for morning workouts before hitting the buffet. Beach volleyball, water aerobics, and pool games are common daily options for those who like structured fun. One of the more unexpected features is the on-site bowling alley, which is a great backup plan when the weather decides to throw a rain shower into the mix. There are also cultural activities and Spanish lessons woven into the daily schedule, giving guests a taste of the local flavor without ever leaving the property. And in the evenings, the theater and nightclub keep the entertainment going with shows, live music, and dancing well into the night. The entertainment team plays a big role in shaping the vibe of the resort, which many guests point to as a highlight. Between the theater performances, poolside games, and themed evenings, there is always something going on if you want to jump in. For quieter travelers, though, it is still easy to slip away to a hidden corner of the property and enjoy the sound of the waves. The nightclub tends to draw a livelier crowd and stays open late, making it a good stop for guests who want to dance off dinner. All of these options are included in the all-inclusive package, which is a genuine perk when you compare it to resorts that charge extra for evening entertainment. For those looking to unwind, the on-site Despacio Spa is a real highlight of the property. It offers a full menu of massages, facials, and body treatments, giving guests the chance to trade their beach towels for cozy robes and calming music. Traditional favorites like deep tissue and Swedish massages are joined by more specialized treatments that draw from local traditions and ingredients. There are also facial therapies for anyone whose skin has taken a beating from sun and salt. Booking a treatment is a nice way to break up a busy day of activities and recharge for another round of dinners and entertainment. Beyond the treatments, the spa area typically includes saunas, steam rooms, and relaxation lounges where guests can decompress before or after a session. Yoga sessions and stretching classes are commonly included in the daily activity schedule, so wellness-minded travelers can keep their routine intact even on vacation. The fitness center rounds out the wellness picture with modern equipment, which is a genuine bonus for guests who like to stay active while traveling. It is a well-rounded wellness offering that goes beyond the usual poolside stretch class. For anyone wanting a slower-paced trip, the spa alone could easily justify a couple of quiet mornings. Families with kids will find plenty to love about Ocean Riviera Paradise, starting with the Daisy Kids Club, which is packed with age-appropriate activities and themed programming. The dedicated water park is a real hit with the little ones, offering slides, splash pads, and shallow play areas designed for maximum giggling. The children's pool is set apart from the main pools, giving parents peace of mind while still being able to relax nearby. Themed events, treasure hunts, and playful entertainment are all part of the daily schedule for the younger crowd. Kids' meals are available across most restaurants, and the family-oriented Daisy Junior Suites make room setup easy for parents. For older kids and teenagers, there is a dedicated teen club area with gaming setups and social activities designed to keep them engaged. It is smart planning by the resort, since teens often get left out of the traditional kids' club experience. Combined with the bowling alley, pools, and beach games, there is more than enough to keep them busy. Parents can genuinely enjoy their own vacation knowing the kids have their own thing going on. That balance between family-friendly and grown-up spaces is one of the resort's strongest selling points. Location-wise, Ocean Riviera Paradise sits within easy reach of some of the best attractions in the Riviera Maya. The main Playa del Carmen beach is only about 300 meters away, and the famous Quinta Avenida or Fifth Avenue shopping and dining strip is roughly 6 kilometers from the property. Golf lovers can head to the El Camilon Mayacoba golf course, also about 5 kilometers away, for a round on one of Mexico's most talked-about courses. Nature lovers will enjoy the Tres Rios Ecopark, around 6 kilometers off, where cenotes, rivers, and mangroves offer a very different taste of the region. For bigger adventures, Xcaret Park is around 16 kilometers away, and Explore Adventure Park sits about 18 kilometers off, both offering full-day experiences packed with ziplines, underground rivers, and cultural shows. The peaceful Playa Excalicoco is only about 25 kilometers away for a quieter beach change of scenery. Cancun International Airport is roughly 46 kilometers up the coast, which is a fairly standard transfer for the region. The location strikes a nice balance between being close to the action and still feeling like a private escape. Looking at the resort overall, Ocean Riviera Paradise earns its reputation as one of the more complete all-inclusive experiences in the region. Strengths include the variety of rooms, the strong dining lineup, the massive pool and water park setup, and the wide range of activities for guests of every age. The staff scores especially well with a booking rating of 8. 8 for service and cleanliness lands at a strong 8.6. On the flip side, some guests point to difficulty booking specialty restaurants, occasional crowding at peak times, and mixed feelings about the beach depending on seasonal seaweed. Value for money sits at 7.8 on booking, which is respectable but not spectacular, reflecting the premium pricing of the property. What really makes Ocean Riviera Paradise stand out is the sheer scale and variety packed into one resort. Few properties combine a bowling alley, a water park, a nightclub, a theater, an adults-only section, a privileged VIP experience, and a full spa in the same place. That kind of range means guests can craft very different vacations depending on their travel style, whether that is a party trip, a family escape, or a couple's retreat. The presence of the adults-only El Beso section makes it particularly flexible for multi-generational travelers or friend groups with mixed interests. It is essentially several resorts blended into one. The property also caters well to events and small conferences, with meeting rooms and event spaces available for corporate groups or weddings. The tropical setting makes it a popular destination for destination weddings, and the range of dining venues gives event planners plenty of options for rehearsal dinners and receptions. It is not the largest conference-focused resort in the region, but for medium-sized gatherings it does the job nicely. Finally, guest experience highlights tend to circle back to the staff, who are consistently described as warm, attentive, and genuinely eager to help. Reviewers frequently mention memorable moments like personalized greetings, thoughtful room touches, and servers who remembered their favorite drinks by day 2. The nightly entertainment, teppanyaki shows at Sakura, and swim-up bar afternoons come up again and again as standout parts of the stay. Even with its imperfections, Ocean Riviera Paradise delivers the kind of vacation that keeps travelers talking long after they have unpacked their suitcases. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.